In this video, I'm going to show you how to basically add a Starbucks card to your Apple Wallet, okay? So first, you need to open up the Starbucks app on your iPhone, sign in to your Starbucks reward account if you have not done that already. Then you want to go ahead and just select your Starbucks card. So you want to go ahead and tap on scan at the bottom, and then select the Starbucks card you want to go ahead and add to your Apple Wallet that you already have on the app, okay? Now, you want to tap on Add to Apple Wallet. You'll see this option under the card details, and a preview of your card will also appear. Just want to tap on Add in the top right corner, and your Starbucks card will now be saved in your Apple Wallet, and now you can go ahead and use it. Right? Just open up the Apple Wallet, select your Starbucks card, just tap on your iPhone on the payment reader at Starbucks to go ahead and pay, and then you can go ahead and do that. And if you don't see the add to Apple Wallet option, make sure your Starbucks app is updated. Okay, you can also try removing and re-adding the Starbucks app to refresh this feature. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.